What's up, Poker Maniac TFP? Back to another video, man. Let's get it. Let's get to it. Regular size bets, 818. We're gonna stand it. We want the dealer to bust. Right? We want the dealer to bust.
You win.
It's not always about, oh, let's get close to 21. Come on, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the Patreon. 6. Come on, 6. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Get out. Cool.
You win.
We'll take it. We'll take little by little, little by little. Okay, 5. We gotta hit that. 6, 16. 16, we're gonna stand. It's cool. Put some on the sides. We're gonna get a pair here, right? Oh, we got a flush. That's good. We're gonna stand. 10, 10. Ooh.
You win.
Some money there. Alright, we're gonna rebet and raise the main. I meant to put another 50 on that, bro. How did I put a 5 on that? It was supposed to be $50 bet.
You win.
It's okay. It's not okay. We're missing money, bro. It was supposed to be a $25 bet, and I misclicked. 14. We're gonna actually hit this. Okay. It's fine. 16. Watch out for the 3. Watch out for that 3. What y'all know about that? Ace is there. Push. George. Yeah. Dealer has blackjack. It's a double. It's almost damn near a double down hand. My money back. You heard me? Come on. 6, 8. There's a 6. I gotta hit a 13 though. You have to. So there's nothing you can do about that. Queen of clubs, flush. Nice, perfect pair flush. Love it. You don't see those too often that much.
You win.
You don't see perfect pair flushes that anymore like you used to, bro. 19, understand that.
You win.
We're gonna hit this bullshit because I don't like it. It's fine. 5 wouldn't have done this. We would have lost anyways. But we raise here. We raise here off of a mistake, right? Ha! We got a 5. Let's see what happens. 11, 10. Okay, we raised, got the 21. Boom, bow.
You
bow.
win.
Looks good. Oh, he's a genius. We gotta hit that. 11. Yep, there it is, 11. That's what I want. I don't call it an ace anymore because it sounds too close to an ocho, to an 8.
You win.
Because if I say give me an ace, it'll be like, oh, you want an 8? No, I want the 11. And it just rolls better off the tongue. You know what I'm saying? You want a 10? No, I want an 11.
You
Just
win.
say 11, bro. There's nothing wrong with that. 15. I was gonna hit it, but I don't see any choice. I can't hit that. It didn't matter. It didn't even matter what I did. 11. Okay, we're gonna stand that. Boom. All right, guys. I'm betting 250. I expect to win here. 11 count. 10. 19, you gotta be good enough. 7.
You win.
Okay. That was not ideal, but we won. Alright, let's raise the pair bet. Pair. No, I'm not doubling down. We're gonna stick to.
You
It didn't
win.
matter. It would have been nice. Would have put more money. That was actually a good double that I missed. I did not want to double the pair again. Stand it, bro. There's nothing wrong with standing at 16. There's nothing wrong with it, right? Like, oh, you're ducking and you're scared. Nah, bro, we just raise it here and we get the good card, right? 17 versus 2. It doesn't always work like that, so be careful. Big.
You win.
18. People getting lazy. That's a freaking 21 on me, bro. We in the lab. I almost hit because I seen the 9. Get there. Ocho. Gotta hit the 13. Give me a 15. I stand that all day. Run that back. Dude, this is crazy. Of course you don't. Yes, you got it again. 9 versus 11. Keep my money back. Damn, bro. Come on. We're gonna get to 1,000. 9, 10 jack. We're gonna get to 1,000. We're gonna get to the 1,000.
You win.
They say hit it. I'm just gonna stand, bro. I don't care. Soft 18 is a hit. But we still win.
You win.
Okay, let's go 100 right here. Hundo. We got the 11 count. Timmy. 7. Ah, was he weak? Was he weak? Oh, see, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. I gotta stick to my method. I mean, the card was there. It was cool. I should have just stood, bro. That's why I don't like deviating off my method, bro. Just stick to the script, bro. That was an easy stand, and I raised, and I usually stand that, dog. Now we gotta go crazy. We gotta hit him again. 4, 5, 6. We can't double ace. I said it again, bro. Queen me.
You win.
Bro, they did not want us to get up there. We're down a little bit. We got some work to do. There's the queen, bro. Late as hell. I almost raised again.
You win.
That side bet really saved us. That straight, yeah. But we betted at the right time. Hit that. Come on. Don't do it. Okay. Called it, man. It's time. It's crunch time. You can't miss.
You
Do not
win.
miss. Don't miss the opportunity to raise. Where to stand that?
You win.
$11. Come on, 10, 10, 9. Thank you. Didn't matter.
You
I
win.
stand. Daily boss, but yeah, we gotta chill out because we're gonna get a low card here, right? Yeah. Good pulls, bro. 7. Great pull.
You win.
All right, let's go for it, bro. How much do we need to go? 250. Come on. Oh no, we could hit it and get. No, we can't. Come on, 6. Three. Let's go. It was on that cycle.
You win.
See, do you be greedy? Do you? Let's play for a little bit more. Oh, we should have just went for it, dude. That was it. This was it. This was this game.
You win.
You'd be like, oh, we're gonna try to get to 1,000. No, it's not time. It's not time right here. This is not the hand to go to try it, bro. 11. That's not the hand to try to go for the 1,000. But it was.
You win.
Come on, Drew. Alright, 50, no sides. I regret it. Double down. Come on. Bang. That's game. That's game.
You win.
That's game right there. We got to the 1,000. A little bit of risk, you get some reward, but you gotta hit it. You can't miss. A little bit of risk with no miss. Hit the 7. Okay, we can't hit that again no more. Hell no. There's a 7. All right, let's just boom, 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 boom. Oh, where's the straight flush at? 6? No, ocho. Okay, yeah, we're gonna end it right there, man. What was it, like 600 or something like that? 10 minutes. Yeah, bro. So just pay attention. Like I said, check out the Patreon. Check out these other videos, man. Right here, all of that right there. See you on next video, man.